Alright guys, so this is a super short video for you today. This is how to put the 2024 Toyota Tacoma in four-wheel drive. So the first thing you want to do is have your vehicle turned on. You then want to put it in neutral. You then want to go from two-wheel drive. So what you need to do is push this in right here, and then you switch that to 4 high. You'll see that it'll start blinking 4 high. Then you can throw it in drive, move forward an inch, it'll be solid, so it's now in four-wheel drive. To put it in for low, go ahead and put your vehicle back into neutral. You want to take this, press this knob in on the side again, put it in for low. You'll see the for low has popped up here. You throw the vehicle back in drive, you move up an inch, and then you see here in the corner that you now see for low. And some of the other safety features and stuff are turned off. That is normal. So that is how you take the 2024 Toyota Tacoma and put it in four-wheel drive. And to take it out, you then just put your vehicle back into neutral. You take this knob, you press it in, you turn this whole thing back to 2 high. You put the vehicle back in drive, you move forward like an inch, and you now see the 4 high and 4 low are gone. You are now back in two-wheel drive.